How to share as PDF in CamScanner application. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can share your file or image as a PDF in CamScanner application. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. You can see I have already opened up the CamScanner application, and you can see I have this file. So let me select this file to open. So guys, if I want to share this image as a PDF, so all I have to do is to tap right here on the share option. So just tap right here, and after that you can see that share as a PDF. So you have to tap right here on the share PDF, and this image will be gone as a PDF. Also guys, you can, if you want to save your file in the CamScanner, so you have to tap right here on the PDF option, and you will see that this file will be in the PDF. So this is how you can easily get the PDF of the file or the image in CamScanner application. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.